Hello, my name is Randy Wostratzky, the Director of Business Development and Marketing for the Spectrem Group. Thank you for joining us today, Wednesday, May 30th, for the readout of this month's Affluent and Millionaire Investor Confidence Index data. Please remember, the Spectrem Affluent Investor Confidence Index is based on 250 monthly online interviews with the financial decision makers in households with $500,000 or more in investable assets. The Spectrem Millionaire Investor Confidence Index is based on a subset of that overall survey group. The Spectrem Affluent Investor Confidence Index dropped 7 points to a neutral reading of -5, the second consecutive monthly decline. The Spectrem Millionaire Investor Confidence Index dropped 5 points to a neutral reading of 3, the lowest reading in 4 months. The declines are reflected in affluent investors' investment preferences in May. There was an increase of those who invested in cash, while more millionaire and non-millionaire households than last month opted to not invest. While millionaire investments in stocks did rise in May, it was not enough to compensate for declines in other investment options. The Affluent Household Outlook, a survey of attitudes toward financial factors that impact their daily lives, dropped dramatically after 5 consecutive months of gains. Though each of the 4 components remained in positive overall territory, each posted losses over the previous month. We asked affluent investors this month which news story is having the most impact on their economic outlook. International problems, particularly the ongoing European Union economic crisis and its impact on the global economy, topped the list, followed by unemployment and the political environment. Affluent investors hunkered down on the sidelines in May. Investment in cash increased 5 points in May to 26.1, while more of these investors chose the option to not invest, up 1.6 points to 36.8, the highest reading in 6 months. While investment in stocks edged up 1.8 points to 32.4, all the other investment categories posted overall declines. Stock mutual funds dropped 11.6 points to 26. Bonds dropped 4.3 points to 8.9, the lowest level in almost a year. Bond mutual funds dropped to 13.2, and real estate dipped 2.2 points to 9.4. Our monthly survey further breaks down affluent investor preferences by millionaire and non-millionaire households. For the second consecutive month, non-millionaires were more apt to be market cautious. Choosing to not invest rose 1.2 points to 41.6, a 3-month high, while investment in cash jumped 11.1 points to 28.8. Investment in stocks remained virtually unchanged from last month, gaining 0.1 of a point to 26.4.